Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:04 p.m. October 21st, 2020. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. I really appreciate that. I'm watching Tesla right now after hours. It was a rough day overall. Just rough markets this week again. It's not like I'm pushing the pedal. I'm pushing it down a little bit, but I'm not pressing it hard. Not like I'm speeding through these markets right now. Markets are just chop. You can see the markets ended down today, and just nothing really set up. So we're gonna have Tesla news coming out. There's gonna be some whip going on. I tried bidding. You can see my last entry here by 420.2200. A lot of twos and zeros there. 421.25 did not get down there. Missed it by a buck, but I was down 300 on the day. Frustrated again. It's a rough week. Get myself through tomorrow to determine where I stand. I'm still up again on the month and on the year, but I really need to get things rolling. And I'm looking for a Tesla trade in the after hours based on earnings. I'm looking forward to either really crank or really crank down and then take a bounce. But I'm not really sure what's going to happen. It could just be a dud, and we could be sitting at 420 by the end of this video, literally within that range. My guess, if we don't take off like 30 points one way or the other, we'll end at 420, between 419 and 421. That is my guess. So give me a 2-point spread there. I don't know what to tell you. There was a couple trades that were setting up today. The MRIN. But other than that, I really didn't see much because this SPLK at the end of the day, I tried getting in on a 216 entry, went to 222. I was just kind of down on the day, and I didn't want to pull a trigger because it was just a deep stock that moved. My risk was at least a buck. Of course, if I had 100 shares, I would have made $600 if I held to the top, of course. So look at Tesla. It's this is 2-minute candles. The kind of different color candles are after hours now. So 1600 hours is now after hours. This is the intraday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, come back when the earnings are about to take the trade, or I'll come back and close up the video. Mark, if you're trading right now and you're doing well, that's awesome. If you're trading right now and just kind of flat, that's awesome. If you're trading right now and you're losing money, that's not good. This is a time where you should be sitting on your hands more. And I'm not trading a ton. I'm just putting on some trades that just literally are not working very well. So we're getting some action now. Of course, they'll do this. Look at this. Look at this. Here's 420. Just garbage. This is just garbage. It's not even news yet. So this is stuff you got to watch out for. And I'm worried about that manipulation during when the news actually comes out, like 4:30 right now. Come on. Someone's coming in. Big buyers are coming in or something. But what I'll do is I'll pause. I'll come back. Oh, we got news. It doesn't say, though. Well, let me bring this window over here a little bit closer. Sorry about that. Is this just boom time? Oh, good. No, I think it's reports. 55 cents earnings revenue be 8.75 versus 8.29. This thing could go. This thing could go. They must not like something about it. So watch the algorithms here kind of take over. Looks like 434. It topped out at 434 area. Yep, 434. But the algos are in control here. So I'm just going to watch it. You just guys got to have to bear with me. It's not like I'm looking at anything crazy right now. That's what I was expecting. It was either going to move one way, the other way, or just chop around and end up like at 420. I think the price is kind of built in for what's coming out on Tesla right now. 8.8 billion. There it is. First expectations of 8.3 billion. So that's better. than expected, but people sell on the news. So 434 could be interesting. But if I trade this, I think it's going to go. There's 434. And it just doesn't look worth anything right now. Give me a second. There's 435. This is me, man. Just not pulling the trigger on that 434, but it's so sketchy. We just gotta look for a better setup now. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post the video, or I'm gonna finish up the video. Unfortunately, you didn't get to see me take a trade. It wouldn't have been a great trade anyway. Probably would have been a buck. But see, do you notice how it went to this 434 here? It came down and then went through the 434 again, and now it's at 439. Jeez. Richard. Okay. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'm going to seal it up, and hopefully I'll let you know in the comments below if I do take a trade on this. I'm going to let it set up. I'm not going to force anything at this point, but I obviously missed the move. Anyway, have a good one. Talk to you tomorrow.